Hello, everybody. This is KrypticNexus, also known as Anthony, and today we've got another unboxing or review thingamajig, and that will be of something that I just saw and I really thought would be fun, and that is a portable fan. Yes. So I was sent this. No, nothing. Not a damn thing. Anyways, I was sent this by the seller to do an review thing, unbiased, of course, in exchange for a discount. So I got a discount. Let's get this unbiased thing started. There's paperwork in the box. And a box inside the box. Alright. The box is not cooperating with the rest of the box. Alright. Paperwork. Can't read that. Can't read that. Can read that. Alright, so that's the stuff. Alright. Max voltage is, or max wattage is 3.5 watts, or 4.5 watts, and here is the fan. Comes in a bunch of different colors. I love me some orange, so I got orange. And we got a, what looks like pink blade inside. Oh, see-through pink. There is our voltages. Input 5 volt. Current half to 1 amp. Output 5 to 9 volts. Output 4.5 watts. Please don't put your finger into the protective screening to avoid being damaged and break down the machine. Okay, so when I was looking at this to review it, one thing I really liked is it uses 18650 batteries. Where's the writing? There we go. So it uses a standard 18650 battery, which is awesome. Because I do like 18650s, especially if you vape and stuff like that. You can find 18650s almost everywhere. They're in laptop batteries. They're in this battery right here. I mean, 18650s can be found everywhere. Anyways, let's see what's in this box. It's probably just a USB cable. Why does that have an LED? Yep, it's just a USB cable. That's it. Standard to micro. Okay, so I have one question. Why is there an LED? So, hold on while I go through the fan settings. So we got 1, 2, 3, shift, activation, charge, rechargeable. Alright. That is a very strong breeze, I have to say. That's awesome. So there's number 2. Let's see if it remembers if I turn it off on number 2. Nope. And then there's number 1, or number 3. And it's still putting out a decent amount of air. And as you can hear, it's not that terribly loud. And Alright, well, found out what the LED does. You have a flashlight built into your fan. But it could only be on when the fan is off. Okay then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything under the door? Nope. I'll be back. I want to see what's circuitry is in here, because it really should just be maybe a 555 timer or something like that. PWMing this. We should have a charge circuit here, charging the 18650, and then a diode or a resistor or something there to power that. Anyways, be right back. Alright, so my screwdriver is not deep enough to go inside this well, so I will continue this video here. Well, second for you, but later for me. So hopefully you're a big fan of that idea. See you in a second. Hey, we are at a new location. Okay, so we're at a new location. If you can't tell that, because I'm a toy, then something's wrong. Anyways, product. So, we looked at this fan a while back, and today it's time to finish the review. Because camera, where are you going? I want to know what is inside. So, as soon as I find the fucking... Oh, there it is. All the way up here, of course. So, now, since I have a screwdriver long enough that can fit down in here, unscrew these screws, we are going to see just how this fan works. Because I'm kind of curious to how it powers itself. Does it use dropper resistors? Does it use capacitors? What does it use? You know? Oh, these screwdrivers kind of suck. Oh, goddamn. I am so ready for a nap. Alright, so front comes off. Oh wow, look at that. Bottom screw was still in there. Get that other bottom screw out there. There we go. So we have inlet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 little chips up front here. Do they have names? Of course, none of them have names. So yay. We got a regulator and something else. So let's see if I can pop this board out. Don't think, no, I can't. Really? No. Damn it. Because I can't pop the board out because the battery points are soldered to the board. And that's fine. There was really nothing on the back side. Here's our LED. So if you didn't want the LED, you could just desolder it or cut it off. The fan is a 2-pin fan, so you can replace the fan if and when needed. So that's cool. I want to turn it on while it's exposed. And just drop it. So there's two leads right here. I wonder if those are the charge leads. So grab a charger I have right here, plug it in. Yep, single charge. So there's a red, and that one at the bottom is probably a green LED. So that is definitely our charge LED. I still don't know what activation does. So without the front of the case holding it down, it wants to blow itself over. That's kind of crazy. I was looking for a pen or something. Let's try this one. Well, it looks like I could only do these 3 marks. Alright, let's see what that looks like. It looks terrible when it's off. Like, look at that. That looks terrible. But on, that actually, I like that little pattern it did. Just makes it look like circles. Awesome. Alright, and as you can see, it is a 4-winding motor. So it has a decent amount of power to it. If it was a 6-winding, I think it would be just a hair better, but it would also be noisier. This isn't that noisy. I really don't find this LED necessary. Like, what the fuck is this LED for? Like, really? Why is it necessary to have an LED light? Anyways, this has been KrypticNexus, also known as Anthony Cress. And as I said, I'm tired. So I'm going to take me a nap. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it. Hey! Yeah. Turn my fan on low for me to go to sleep. Anyways, like it if you like it. Like it if you disliked it. Subscribe if you really liked it. I guess got to get out of bed. I put this shit out every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So if you really liked it, subscribe for your next dose for whatever day this is, because I'm tired and fucking I'm going to bed.